Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I am painting these plastic eggs for Easter, and I would like to show you guys how I hand paint them. I start covering the surface with white paint. It's a little bit messy, but I like to work wet on wet. So after I cover the surface, I then go over with green, and it's a white, it's a warmer green, and I loosely paint some type of branches and leaves all around the surface of the eggs, and but also leaving space for the other colors like pink and blue. And some will be darker green, and some will be light green. Now I am introducing some pink, and I like to mix with a little bit of green for a warmer shade, and also add a bit of white and more pink. And make a nice pink color, and then I paint some pink like flowers, around the egg, covering some surfaces, but still leaving other spaces that I will add the blue color. As you see, sometimes I pick more pink, and sometimes I add a bit of white on the pink for a lighter shade of pink. For some highlights, I add more white, and continuing working around the egg, and also in a loose way of painting. Nothing tense or predetermined or thought. No, it's very loose. Okay, now it's time to add a little bit of blue, and mixed with white, and whatever space is left between the pink and the green, I add blue. I add little bit more of white on the blue for a lighter shade of blue, and so again, all over the surface, adding whatever space is left, I add blue, and some highlights too, adding a little bit of white. I like to use a long brush, and so this way I am sure I'm painting loosely. I'm painting loose. And okay, now after it's all dried, my surface, and I can start making some marks with markers that I picked up in Walmart in gold and white. I start first with gold, making just a few branches here and there, adding a bit of gold marks like sunshine. Then I picked up the white marker, and there's some white, like a little bit of, yes, shake it really well. Sometimes it doesn't work on the first attempt. just adding loosely a bit of flowers or highlights on the pink flowers, and just a few, and they seem to combine really well, these pastel colors, and it's like early spring colors, and here it is, all the hand painted Easter eggs I made, and I can't wait to put on my online shop for sale, and I will tell you guys on the next video how much my online store is doing selling these eggs.